Blessings. Kathanya is not a person of interest anymore. She has nothing to do with the disappearance of Donnelly Donaldson. So indirectly, they're trying to tell the public that she is a free woman who has no criminal charges pending. Well, for now. So that and more, but first and foremost, remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro soon forward. Lawyer representing policewoman embroiled in missing influencer case asked police high command to provide protection. So Kathanya, who is one of the alleged member in the disappearance of Donnelly Donaldson, is now saying she's scared and she needs special protection, like protection out of my money, my hard-earned tax dollars, to protect you or some fallen angels that want to run you for watch over you and your pitney. Let me tell you something. If you're under special protection and me personally get a link, I know which part of it you're not safe again. So if you can have a man like me, I think them type of way, what do you expect the regular or the normal civilian out there in the street would do if they should get a hold of you? What do you think they would do to you if them catch you? What you feel say them would do right now in the heat of the moment? Do you think that they're going to hug you and kiss you and give you any form of amelioration and tell you all the nice things in your ears, whisper pure appeasement in your ears? Well, it is not going to happen. And incidents like these are the ones that trigger me off mentally. And if I know where Kathanya is, that is going to trigger me off physically also. Kathanya and her Noel Maitland has nothing on me. Trust me, they are fighting for a spot in a space I rejected. So anywhere you're there, you better stay put, because me have certain links can find you if I go certain place. This is not a threat, I'm just saying, expressing myself. So stand up and face the judgment. If your corrupted organization doesn't set you free, because they're popularly known for that. And if I was in the JCF in an atmosphere like now, honestly people, no phone and I'm gonna like what I'm gonna say, you know, but I feel I'm gonna hide and shoot a couple of them per operation, you know. Yes man, and see an accident because them too corrupt. Imagine, our commander is gonna set us out on an operation, and after completion, you're gonna tell me that I must stand in the guard room and full up the book of pure lie, giving account of what went down during operation. I must write pure lie in my book. After you go there or use intimidation and target innocent people, we must forward back a station and pick up for you because you're my colleague. You know, sign up for that. And following claims that death threats have been made on the cop and their family, rightfully so. We're talking about Kathanya. Her lawyer, Oswest Senior Smith, said he met with the police deputy commissioner yesterday, July 21, to discuss the matter.
I also did use the opportunity to have underscored to the deputy commissioner that my client needs protection based on the threats that have been issued and are being issued in relation to her personal security. I underlined one in particular where it was outrightly said that she will be murdered, and I'm hoping for the intervention from the Jamaica Constabulary Force as far as those threats are concerned, not only in relation to her but also to members of her family.
And when asked if the cop would be safer, If she were to take a time off from work, the lawyer said such a move would fuel speculation about possible involvement in the disappearance of Miss Donaldson, but she's equally involved.
It is between the devil and the deep blue sea, as it were, because it may very well be safer for her to be out of the spotlight of work, but you can well imagine what the public space will be thinking if she were to, at this stage, having regard to all the accusations that have been leveled against her out in the social media area, that there may very well be a view that she has taken herself away and that she has gone into hiding because she is guilty of something. And my instructions are that absolutely not. She has nothing to be concerned about as far as any allegations against her of whatever nature are concerned.
Attorney Oswes Senior Simit, the district constable, Kathanya's Simit lawyer, after she refused to give a statement to investigators probing the disappearance of Donnelly Donaldson. The lawyer, the certified criminal, says he has been informed by the police high command that his client, Kathanya Simit, is not a suspect in the case. God almighty, them people are cool. So, the life of Donnelly has no value. So you try to tell me, say, if a man catch Kathanya pan the nozzle right now, what the man fi do? Take it off a auto and put it on safety. So, Donnelly must be the next Claudia Kershak. Think again. And Claudia Kershak suffers a similar fate. She was the first female I have ever heard about as a child growing up that was said to have went missing. And that stayed in my memory up until this day, if my memory is serving me well.
I think I can safely say that my impression is from this conversation that my client is categorically not a suspect in any untoward behavior or activity. I anticipate that the Deputy Commissioner may very well be back in the public space, hopefully not too long from now, and the public may very well be updated or at least receive additional or fresh information from him. As I expressed before, I'm not going to try to speak on his behalf or for him. Now, I also seize the opportunity to reinforce to the Deputy Commissioner the fact of the threat that my client and members of her family have been receiving. Indeed, one was brought to my attention this morning, which was on social media and apparently tagged the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and it was made in a forthright and direct way that she was going to be murdered. And it went on to say that whoever this person is, that nothing could be done to him or them, whoever was going to carry out that act.
The certified criminal, Oswes Simit, on Wednesday told the media that his client was told she was a suspect after she reportedly declined to give a statement in the absence of an attorney. But speaking with the media yesterday afternoon, the criminal said he had spoken with Gorilla Head, Deputy Commissioner Fitz earlier, and was told that his client, Kathanya Simit, is not considered a suspect. Jaja God. Ono see say, the Jamaica Constabulary Force are rub corruption in our face, brawling. I wonder if we really see what going on. Where these bigwigs, these so-called bigwigs, so-called aristocrats, these people that think they're on a high pedestal, but then for remember, you know, say Humpty Dumpty did drop off of the high wall, and at the same high seat did kill Miss Thomas Post. It's alright. People, if you have reached this far, please I'm asking you to like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. Most importantly, remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.